Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I will be showing you guys how to install VitaTweakBox onto your PlayStation Vita. So basically what this homebrew app is just a small homebrew app that has loads of apps on it. So it has like its own version of VitaShell, it has a PSV identify, it has backup software on there, it has PS Vita Forecast on there, it's got a load of random stuff which you can use. Normally you'd find these in individual apps, but it's all built into one, so it's actually quite useful and it's just kind of interesting to have. So if you guys want to get this, the first thing you want to do is just go ahead and start up VitaShell, and then once it loads, press select, connect your PS Vita to your PC, and I will show you guys what to do next. On your computer, I will leave a link in the description so you guys can download TweakBox. It's just on the PS Vita Brewology page. So all you want to do is just click on the blue download text right here, and it will just begin downloading the VPK file for you. So once it has finished downloading, we can go over to our PC's downloads folder and just find it in there. And we can simply just drag and drop this onto the root of our PS Vita. So very simple, we can simply just check it's on there. Here it is, VitaTweakBox. So we can now go back onto our PS Vita, and I'll show you guys how to install it and what this application does. Okay, so back off our computer, we can now install the VPK file. Mine is in my UXO, so I'm just going to scroll down and just find it somewhere in here. Here it is, VitaTweakBox. So we're going to press X and then press X to install the package. So once it has installed, we can now close out of VitaShell, and let's look for the VitaTweakBox app somewhere on our home screen. So if I just scroll down a bit, so here's mine, VitaTweakBox. What we're going to do is just press X and then press X just to start it up. So what we can do is just use the D-pad here to scroll through everything, and you press X to open it. So the first thing on here is a Vita ident. I've actually done a video on this before, but it is included in the VitaTweakBox, and basically what this thing does is it displays all information about your PlayStation Vita. I won't go too much into it because I have got a whole video on it, but you can just press X to open it up and it will display all kinds of information. Now I'm going to have to blur stuff out because this does show sensitive information which you don't want other people to see, and you can just press circle to go back. It also has Vita backup on here. This is used for like backup and restoring like files, games and stuff. It's fairly simple to use, but I won't be doing it in this video. It's also got Vita Forecast. This is literally just a weather forecast. You can press X to open it and it will tell you what the weather is. We've also got database on here, so if you press X on that, you can actually rebuild your database of this. I'm not going to be doing it, and you can update the database as well, and even export the live area layout. We've also got options. If you press X on this, you can change some stuff. This is just like the options you'd get in VitaShell, so we can just press circle on that. Next thing we have got is the power options. If you press X on this, there's tons of stuff we can do. Power off, reboot, standby, and restart VTB. We've also got VitaShell. Now this isn't the app you have installed, this is like a backup version of it. So if you press X, as you can see, it's got all of the stuff on here. And to get out of this, I believe you actually press select. Credit, so here is the guy that made it. I believe it's Joel16. File transfer, this is literally, if you press this, it will like ask you to connect your PS Vita to your PC. So it's basically like another way of connecting your PS Vita to your PC without using VitaShell. And then it's also got books, which I believe isn't released yet, and that's coming soon. So there is still some work being done on this. Yeah, it's a fairly new homebrew app for PS Vita, and it's kind of interesting, ton of things in one app. It's kind of useful, I guess. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.